Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's videos, I'll show you how to add pictures to your text messages on the iPhone 17. So first, what we want to do is we want to go over and open up the iMessage app. So the Messages app right here. Now, what you guys want to do is open Messages and choose a chat. So we're choosing a chat now. And here, as you guys can see, all we have to do is go over and pick the picture. So if you want to send the picture with your message, so you want to add picture to your text messages, then simply choose the photo first. I'll choose this one, and here you will have an option to add comment or send. So you will send your message with a picture. After that, you can just click this arrow right here and you will basically send the message, and then it should be delivered. So I'll do that now, and all we have to do is just wait a couple of seconds. Now, as you guys can see, it's delivered. So that's how it works. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.